if you see an emergency involving a deaf person, the most important sign you need to know is the sign for help. Help is a two-handed sign, and we're going to use our boss, our dominant hand, in a thumbs up A position, A, thumbs up A, and my other hand is going to be an open B. This is going to be the platform hand, and you're going to take your dominant hand and put it into that other hand. Now, the sign for to help moves up smoothly together, but when we use it, it doesn't look like that. Why? Because it's a directional sign, which means how you move it changes the meaning. So watch a few ways we can use it during an emergency. I'm helping you. Help. This moves towards the person you're helping. I help you. You help me. They're staying connected the whole time, and I'm moving towards the person that the help is being given to. We help each other. Raising your eyebrows while signing help changes the meaning to become a question. Do you need help? Do you want help? Can I help? The eyebrows up means it's a yes/no question.